Viewers, it's been 1 month since the brutal RG rape and murder case that has shook the nation. And today it appears we're still no closer to justice being delivered. Today the Supreme Court is all set to resume hearing in the RG Kar rape and murder case. And while the entire nation has its hope pinned on the apex court, a 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India is all set to hear the case and study the status report that will be submitted by the Central Bureau of Investigation on the investigation that has been conducted so far.
सब सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ देख रहे हैं आगे आने वाले समय में, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ आस लगा के बैठे हुए हैं और लोग डर भी रहे हैं कि हमने देखा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कपिल सिब्बल जैसे बड़े बड़े वकील जजमेंट को डिनाइड या नहीं तो डिलेट कर देते हैं, तो ऐसा ना हो।
So as we told you, today Supreme Court is all set to hear this case. Remember, in the last hearing, the Supreme Court had pulled up the Bengal government, the hospital administration and also the Bengal police. So let us take you through what was said by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court pulled up the Bengal government asking why was there a delay in filing an FIR by the police. Remember, we told you that her body was found in the morning, and in fact, 14 hours after that, FIR was registered at night. Second question was why a post-mortem was done before the FIR, which was filed on the unnatural death. As far as this case is concerned, isn't post-mortem only done if death is unnatural, was something that the Supreme Court had asked. Why is conduct of assistant superintendent, remember, so doubtful? Remember, we showed you an audio call of assistant superintendent with the victim's parents. Why wasn't crime scene secured before the post-mortem was done? We saw a lot of officials in that area. Why was there a delay in taking statements of the victim families? The question that was asked by the Supreme Court. Assistant superintendent again. Remember, we showed you a suicide call. His conduct is doubtful, is what is being said. Let me go across to my colleague Rishabh, who joins us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, today there's going to be a crucial hearing in the Supreme Court. Last time we saw how the West Bengal Police Administration, the hospital, as well as the government was pulled up by the Supreme Court in the last hearing. Give us more detail as to what is expected and what time will this hearing take place.
The Supreme Court is going to hear the RG Kar case again today. And remember, last time around, the West Bengal government was pulled up by the court for all the lapses that was evident in the case. Now today, when Supreme Court sits down, it will further take the case, and it will be interesting to see how the court takes up this case today, because last time around the West Bengal government did not have much to answer, given that the questions that were posed to West Bengal government were quite uncomfortable for the government and its counsel as well. Today, when the court assembles, it will be interesting to see how the proceedings go ahead and what new will both the sides put on the table.
Rishabh, stay on with us now as the question mount over the conduct of the Bengal government and its police forces. There's now a growing demand to have the Calcutta Police Commissioner replaced. Now, amid the clamour for the Calcutta top cops ouster, sources tell Times now that the governor has directed the Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee to hold an emergency meeting and discuss the RG Kar case in that. Further, the governor is also believed to have in fact told the Chief Minister to address the demands of the people to replace the Calcutta Police Commissioner. So a demand coming from the Commissioner that the Calcutta Police Commissioner should be replaced after this case has come to the fore. Now, as people continue in their battle for justice, Mamta Banerjee has been shown the mirror by her very own. Top TMC leader Jawahar Sircar has decided to quit the party as TMC MP and has cited all the things that he has found in the party so far. Not mincing any words, he called out the corruption in the party and targeted the TMC government for mishandling the RG Kar rape and murder case. Now, speaking specifically about the case so far, Jawahar Sircar, in his resignation letter that you can also see on your screen, he had said that the present spontaneous outpouring of the public anger is against this unchecked, overbearing attitude of the favoured few and the corrupt. In all my years, I have not seen such angst and total no confidence against the government, even when it says something correct or factual. Now, the BJP is latching on to Jawahar Sarkar's resignation and is escalating the demand for Mamata Banerjee's resignation. Watch this.
जवाहर सरकार किस लिए रिजाइन दिए है वो तो अपने लेटर में उन्होंने व्यक्त किया है। पावर में आने के पहले ममता बनर्जी, बाहर के आने के बाद की ममता बनर्जी, इसमें ज़मीन और आसमान का डिफरेंसेस है। जवाहर सरकार जी जब आए तब उनको पता चला कि ममता बनर्जी तो अभी करप्ट ममता बनर्जी बन चुकी है, करप्शन की रानी बन चुकी है। तो पहले से वो अनसेटिस्फाइड थे, हम दोनों एक ही कमेटी में थे, तो मुझे पता था कि वो अनसेटिस्फाइड है और ये सब देखने के बाद शायद उनको लगा कि इसको छोड़ देना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने छोड़ा है। अच्छा है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हमारी जो डिमांड है कि ममता बनर्जी कब छोड़ेगी।
गलतफहमी दूर हो गई, किसी का कल्चर क्या है उन्हें समझ में आ गया। क्योंकि छोटा रिजाइन से काम चलने वाला नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग सीएम का रिजाइन मांग रहे हैं।
Not just the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the Congress is now also latching on to this opportunity. In fact, Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has highlighted how 3 leaders of TMC are protesting against the party over the RG Kar rape and murder case. He also added that women Rajya Sabha MPs should take cue from Jawahar Sarkar and take a principal position for the RG Kar victim. Caught on the back foot, the Trinamool Congress, that is TMC, is giving a very guarded response. Watch this.
তাই জওহর সরকারের যে উদ্যোগ, সেই উদ্যোগ যেন তৃণমূল দলের আরো যারা জনপ্রতিনিধি আছে তারা অনুসরণ করে, এটা নিশ্চয়ই আমি বলবো। তৃণমূলের 29টা এমপি তারা জনপ্রতিনিধি, তাদের মধ্যে মেয়েরাও আছে, তাদের তরফ থেকে অন্তত একটা প্রতিবাদ বা প্রতিবাদে সামিল হওয়া কিংবা বাংলার মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করে উপযুক্ত ব্যবস্থা নেওয়ার আবেদন করাটা উচিত। কারণ আপনারা কমসে কম মহিলা জনপ্রতিনিধি এবং মানুষের জনপ্রতিনিধি, যাদেরকে বাংলার মায়েরা, বাংলার বোনেরা ভোট দিয়েছে।
The resignation letter of Jawahar Sarkar has come, but more importantly, where is the resignation letter of Mamata Banerjee? She should resign because she is accountable as Home Minister, she is accountable as Health Minister, she is accountable as Chief Minister.
Basic spirit of the letter, almost in many parts of the letter, we agree with him, but the difference is he wants to quit the party, and we, the soldiers of the party, we want to face this situation with the hope that party should come out with a positive, visible response towards civic society.
Jawahar Sarkar's resignation is an act of desperation. As the RG Kar rape and murder case completes 1 month, he has understood that the people of Bengal are extremely angry with Mamata Banerjee.
My colleague Shreya joins us live on the broadcast. Shreya, one TMC MP has resigned, citing 2 reasons. One is corruption in the party, a big claim. Another is mishandling of the case. And BJP and Congress are saying that this is not enough. They also want the resignation of Mamata Banerjee. Give us more details.
Well, of course, we see BJP continues to demand the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Remember, Jawahar Sarkar, he has said that it is a mismanagement of the party, the handling of the entire RG Kar case, and he wants to step down. Now, remember what we're getting from sources. He has received a phone call from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee last evening after he has sent his resignation letter on Sunday morning. After that, there was a long conversation between the MP and that of Mamata Banerjee, but he was very much firm in his stand that he is going to quit. He is going to put down his paper. Mamata Banerjee have also heard all the grievances in details. Now, while we see that TMC MP Jawahar Sarkar, he stepped down, but the BJP says it should be the CP Police Commissioner and Mamata Banerjee who should step down because of the failures to handle with the entire RG Kar case. They also say that conversation between Mamata Banerjee and the police commissioner after the incident should be brought to public.
Well, absolutely. This is as far as the RG Kar rape and murder case is concerned. Today, firstly, Supreme Court is all set to hear the RG Kar rape and murder case. And secondly, and most importantly, one of TMC's own Neta has in fact tendered the resignation, citing corruption in the party and mishandling of the case. Thanking Shreya for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now, moving